I just love having long hair. Like, I'm a long hair girly. So cold, your love is all I need. The safest space for me. I hope this lasts forever now. Alright, y'all. The crochet hair that I'm going to be using is the Bobbi Boss PIXIE locks. I did have this hair before and I absolutely loved it. I had it like 2 years ago, but that time I had them in the color 4 and I had a little bit of 30 like peppered throughout. And I'm in the color 30, which is this color right here. One of my favorite colors to do my hair. And I'm so sad because it was a headache just to find this color, okay? And luckily I'm a 30 wearer, so I don't have a problem with this color. It doesn't look like Bobbi Boss is gonna make any more of these. I said, let me just get them, okay? And I'm inclined not to even throw them out when I take them out of my hair because that's how much I love these locks. Bobbi Boss, if you see this video, please continue to make them. I don't know why the girls aren't buying them. 36 inches, okay? And I love long hair, so I don't mind. But I'll be using 2 high color light Auburn. Okay, I found a little hair whisk. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. About to wash this out. It's been well over 30 minutes. The color looks like it definitely took. These are my colors. I know, ball. So half of my head is done. My forehead is looking larger than life, but the color match is perfect. Okay, so I'm loving, oh my god, I just love having long hair. Like, I'm a long hair girly. So my mother filled in the back for me and I'm about to finish the front because I like it to look a certain way. My braids are neat, small, tight, and right. I always say if you're doing a smaller crochet hairstyle, your braids and your cornrows underneath need to be small too, so that you have the most realistic, natural, neat look. Y'all, they so goddamn long. Me and long hair, my whole head ain't even done yet. I need to know where's the party. Where's the party? I need to be out this weekend because I already look too good. Hitting my calves, okay? And I'm 5'4" for reference. I'm so natural. Such a ginger girly. Like, if God didn't make me a natural black haired girly, ginger was the next option, because the way I eat up a ginger tone, that's my name. Jennifer. No, you can't know my real name. No.
My man and my food. But baby is a pipe laying fool. My baby can lay.
Alright, so I'm almost done. I had to spray some of this in my hair because they're so tight, even though I did them yesterday. I had to spray something on them to like loosen them up a little bit, give them a little bit of slip, because it's hurting, especially like right here and these edges. So we're almost done. They look so good. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm tying here on the edges differently than I am throughout the rest of the braid.
Ass and all. This is front, this is back. Say it. I am big, beautiful, loving it, baby. You better know it.
That's one of my favorite movies. It's 5 in the morning and they're finally done. It is banging. I did want to go back to the back and add in filling spaces, but this is enough here. It doesn't really feel heavy. It definitely has a little bit of weight, but I think most of the tension I'm feeling is just from my cornrows being tight and me shoving pieces of hair under it. But they're really nice. They're as nice as I remember doing them the first time. First time I had my PIXIE locks, I absolutely loved them. Like I told you, I had them in the color 4. I think I got 6 packs just now, and I just used 5.5. Looks so good. I'm so happy with them. They're so long and cutesy and natural looking. I need to go out this weekend. I'm about to get my nails done. They are so long, they're literally touching my calves. I'm gonna have to insert like another picture or video for y'all. They're still as tangly as I remember them. They got very tangly. You're gonna be combing and raking through these often if you get your hand on some of these. But they are fabulous and they look natural. They're a little darker in person than they look on camera, but I love them. I did on the edges all the way through the middle part. I very rarely do middle parts, so you know that doesn't bother me, like the crochet opening or anything. But I mean, even when I do, I don't care. But I rarely do middle parts, so this is never really a look for me. But I just gotta keep it like this until it just calms down a little bit, like in the next day or 2. And if you can get your hands on them, I suggest you do before they're gone forever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms at TaylorCorrien. Links are down below. And I'll see you on my next one.